Alright, I'm back again. I'm on the back passenger side, about to remove the fuel filter on the back passenger side. So this is the top cap right. This is a top cap right here, as you can see. See that right there? And this one right here, that's a output hose. This one would connect here. This one right here would connect there, which I remove, and this plug right here plugs right there. Okay, now you see this plug right here, this right here plugs underneath this thing right here. You know, they coordinated. See that one? You see how that's made? See how this made? That's where that plug, and see the other plug? There go a plug right there. That one's tucked in under here somewhere. Well, it's down in there somewhere. But, oh, here it is right here. I'm trying not to move my hose because I've got the gas siphoning out right now, if you can see. There go the other plug. That's, I think this one is the fuel float right there. Yeah, it is the fuel float. So now I already disconnect the bottom of this. If you look at the bottom of this, see that bottom one? These connectors. See that one that's horizontal? See the horizontal? This is vertical when it's down in there. So that one that connects to that one would be this one right here, the horizontal right here. And then this one down in here, this is the one that connects to the vertical part underneath the cap. This right here connect there, right there. It's hard to show all this shit because there's so many hoses and connections. I just memorize where it go, you know, photographic memory, or sometimes you can take a video, you know, but I'm just doing a video for, you know, people who want to learn how to change theirs on their own 2007 Cayenne Porsche. That's the fuel filter unit assembly right there. It's got two more hoses connected. I'm siphoning out the gas now so I can be able to reach in there without touching the gas, you know, get my hand all in the damn gas. So I'm going to take out all the gas that I can. I'm going to get it all the way down to damn near to the bottom of the tank. So that's what I'm doing now, just siphoning gas. As you can see, there go my hose right there. I'm going to tell you how I done that. What I did was stuck a clear hose in there. Then I got it deep down inside where the gas is, and then I blew in it, you know, and then I sucked it real hard, real quick, and I got it going out into this gas can right there. And you can see the fluid flowing through it right there. Well, gas, liquid. Fluid, same thing. Fluid, liquid, however you want to word it. So once this get full, or I'm gonna get out as much as I can, let this thing fill up as much as I can. If it get too full, then I have to grab another bucket. All right, let me get back to work later.